Hi.
Hello and welcome. Delicious, easy to make, the best dreamy, fluffy coconut Tom Cruise cake at home. It's got a decent amount of ingredients,
Mm.
but not short of any coconut flavor. If you love or like coconut or tropical flavors, this is a must try that will make you want to bring this to your next family gathering.
I'm sharing with my family.
It's going to be large enough to share. It's supposed to make 14 servings. So that's
That's
in this pan.
that's for tiny people, not regular people.
Not regular sized people. So this cake is nothing short of a dense texture, but full of flavor. Staple ingredients like butter, sugar, flour, baking powder, the classic cake base. Then we're going to add some shredded coconut, sweetened or unsweetened. Your call. I went for sweetened. We're already putting a bunch of sweet, so it's going to be sweet. How is that?
This ain't no healthy recipe.
Not today, not today. There are some extras in there, but wait till the end and you won't be disappointed. So let's go over the cake ingredients.
My turn.
It's your turn.
All right. I'm assuming we start off with the flour. We got 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon, I'm guessing here, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups, that's right, 2 cups white sugar.
That's a lot of sugar, but it's delicious.
You could probably put
A sweetener.
alternative or whatever,
Yeah.
but
I haven't tried. I've only used sugar, so I'm saying sugar.
sugar. Excuse me. 1 cup unsalted butter, salted. 5 large eggs, preferably at room temperature. 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon coconut extract.
Got it right.
It's clear. It's in a clear bowl.
That was a tagged.
1 1/4 cup. I'm sorry. 1 cup sour cream. 1 1/4 cups of sweetened flaked coconut or unsweetened, depending on your taste buds. 1 cup white chocolate chip. Now, a little less than 1 cup. I love white chocolate. It's not even real chocolate, but it's good.
It's not, but it is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so to make the cake, you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. If I can talk today. We're going to grease and flour a 10-inch bundt pan. So we have our bundt pan. So we're going to get that greased and floured up. It needs to be a good slather on there. So get more as much.
How am I going to do with this?
You want something else? I don't know. I do it all the time. Don't be scared.
Oh, no, she didn't. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it needs to be like a good.
There we go. Come here. Look at that clump.
Unsalted butter. Because we're putting salt in the recipe too, so.
Which makes no sense. Whatever.
Salted butter is just, I've bought it on accident before and used it, and it's very salty.
Like that?
That's good. And then you're gonna sprinkle the flour to flour it all up.
No. Nope. You on that part. Nope.
Can you move that out of my way? You really just. I'm going to put the flour in here, and then I'm going to move the pan around. So we have our mixer out, and you can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, or...
Best whisk in the world.
That's right. First, we're going to combine flour, salt, and baking powder in a bowl, and we're going to set that aside. So let me grab those ingredients. Flour. What else? Salt. And baking powder. So we're going to just dump it all in there and give it a good mix. So now we're going to beat the sugar and butter together for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy.
Why you want to beat it? Ain't what it do wrong.
So we need the butter and the sugar.
God, that's a lot of sugar.
It's a lot of sugar.
All right.
So about 5 minutes of mixing until it's really fluffy.
All right. Mixed up. And it looks like mashed potatoes.
It does. But it's light and fluffy. Yeah.
All right. What's next?
So now we're going to mix the eggs one at a time. We're going to beat them well after adding each one.
Huh?
We're going to add the eggs one at a time and mix it well between
Each egg. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
What did I say the first time?
Not that.
I did. Put that on.
I heard we're going to beat each one. Or something.
Heavy.
Something along those lines. That part's done. Now we have eggnog. That's thick. Extra buttery mashed potato. All right, what's next?
It looks like cornmeal to me. Cornmeal? You know, it's yellow.
It looks like the mixture for cornbread.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yep. All right, what's next?
Vanilla, coconut, and sour cream mixed till it's well combined.
All right.
Coconut. Here, scrape it. Scrape it out. Get all of that goodness out.
Okay.
Vanilla.
Okay.
And then sour cream.
Okay.
And then mix it until it's all mixed up.
Mitch are putting in some work today. Are we done with this?
Yep. Yeah, take it off of there.
Now we got icing. Oh, so good.
So now we're just going to fold in the coconut and the chocolate chips. Go for it.
Don't we have an attachment that folds?
No.
No. Dang it.
You want me to do it?
I got it. Oh.
It looks like ice cream. Like
It looks like icing for a cake.
Well, yeah, it's a bun, so it's a little bit thicker than regular cake mix.
And we haven't even got to the frosting yet.
We'll get to that a little later. All right, so now we're just going to put it in our pan, and we're going to smooth it out on the top. And once we're done with that, we're going to bake it for about an hour and 25 minutes. So I can hold this if you want to. Can you do it? Or you want me to do it?
I got it, I think. All right. She full.
Not yet. Flatten it out. Oh, whoa. Oh, shit. Pick it up.
I get it.
Okay.
The sacrifices I make for this channel. Getting my hands dirty.
All right, so
Sacrifices I make.
there's a little bit of extra batter, so we're going to make some little bundt cake. These are not going to bake for an hour and 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. because they're tiny. You know, you're not supposed to eat raw cake batter that has eggs in it. But I don't understand why, because you can eat raw eggs. People eat raw eggs all the time.
I think that's a superstition because, yes, people do eat raw eggs.
Yeah.
And I was always
Eating cake batter.
eating cake batter. Or it's just like cookie dough. Everybody eats cookie dough raw. Don't they got eggs in it?
No, not all. Not sometimes. I don't know.
So, what? Plus, you got to test the product to make sure it's good.
And we know it's good.
Like marriage, you know?
How are you going to test what? Didn't make no sense.
Oh, people know what I'm talking about. Gonna take it for a test ride. Okay. We got some pretty cakes.
I'll taste it now.
It's good. All right. So now we got to put them all in the bake, right?
Yep.
She done.
She done.
Our big donut is complete. As you can see.
Popped it out of the butt cake mold, and she's cooled off about 2 hours or so after baking. So we'll put that to the side, and we're going to make the frosting now.
And we did cut the little top, bottom.
The top, bottom off, yeah.
We flattened it out.
So it's going to be flat. Yeah. It poofed up a little bit. But let's go through the ingredients for the frosting. It's a cream cheese frosting. And of course, we have more coconut flakes. So, ingredients, mister?
Ingredients, we have 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract,
It's in there.
half a teaspoon coconut extract. It's there. 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 cups powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar.
Well, that 2 cups of sugar again.
Goodness. And then 1.5 cups sweetened flaked coconut.
So has anyone ever heard of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar called icing sugar? It should be called icing sugar because that's what you use it for, right? For icing.
Sprinkle that on.
But I read that the other day. I thought that was interesting.
All right.
So to make it, we're just going to add the cream cheese, butter, vanilla, coconut extract, and salt and mix it. And we'll use our mixer again. So remember how to use it?
Of course. All right, what am I doing?
Cream cheese, butter, vanilla and coconut. Very little.
Make sure you get all of that.
And the salt. Mix that together.
All right.
So we're going to mix it until it's smooth, and then we'll start adding the powdered sugar a little bit at a time. Beautiful frosting.
Mm-hmm. All right.
And now the 2 tablespoons of heavy cream going in, and we'll mix that for about a minute or 2.
Now what?
We're done with that. Frosting is done. You want this? So let us take that from you.
Damn. Oh.
So now we're just going to frost the top and the sides. And after we frost it, we're going to pat coconut flakes to the frosting.
And why don't you put it in the frosting? Because it looks prettier if you just put it on top. Right?
Yeah.
I made that up. Yeah, as stated, this was not by any means trying to be a healthy recipe. 2 cups of white sugar in the batter, another 2 cups of icing sugar and the frosting. There ain't no healthy to this whatsoever. All kinds of goodness, but not healthy. And some of y'all might be saying, well, I don't even like coconut cake. If you made it this far in the video, you might have just left when we said coconut cake in the beginning. But if you're still here, you have to try this because it's not like, unless you don't really like, if you can't stand the taste of coconut whatsoever, don't try it. But if you like a little bit of coconut, but you're not a coconut cake fan, which I don't know if that's a thing, give it a shot. It's good.
It's coconutty, just enough.
Just enough coconuts on your cake.
Let me put some more in the middle. If a pina colada and a cloud had a baby, this would be it. If this coconut cake made your sweet tooth dance a little, hit that like button.
I'm not letting go of this cake. She's not going to drop it.
Oh, okay. Until next time, guys. Oh, no. I'm cutting it short. We'll cut it out.
You don't want me to eat my cake.
Okay, let's cut it.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
How big?
That's enough. I mean, I want the whole dang thing, but we got to save some for tomorrow. Got the family coming over for Sunday lunch. And we having cake. Not for lunch. We're having pork chop for lunch, but then cake for dessert.
Oh.
Got to get some of that frosting.
Oh, I'm trying.
You got it?
Almost there. I always have problems. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Got the little chocolate chips in there.
Little white chocolate chips.
Coconut.
It's not like a regular bundt cake. I don't know if y'all can. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it. It's not like really dense or thick or hard. It's kind of fluffy and airy.
It's delicious.
Delicious, yes. And
very moist.
that's the word I'm looking for. Bastard.
That's good. And we'll put some ice cream with that. Perfect.
Anyway, guys. Well, thanks for joining us for another one. Till next time.
Bye.